Today, we're talking about safety, in particular, how to make your camper just a little bit more safe. Our underbed storage is connected to the front storage. So there's a big open space you can get into and right up under the bed. I don't know if you've noticed, but all of the keys to get you into the side compartments are usually pretty standard, so anybody can get in there. And if somebody can crawl through, they're in our camper in no time. So it's just something to give us a little bit of peace of mind. Let me show you what I did. Hey there! One of the things that we always wanted to do with our camper is make a barrier between our pass-through storage, which I happen to be in right now, and it's still filthy no matter how much I clean it, and under the bed storage, which is where you're coming from. So what we're planning on doing, and what I've already done, is cut a piece of plywood to fit right here in between the bed and the storage. Not only will it give us a little bit more, I don't want to say privacy, but security where no one can just kind of break in through here, but also give us that compartmentalization, which will allow us to store more things here without it spilling over into the big area out here. So what I'm going to do is, it's already pre-cut, install it and show you what happened. So I found this piece of wood in my father-in-law's garage. He doesn't know I stole it yet. Thanks, Dad. I just cut it down to size to fit. I'm going to screw it on in there and we're going to show you what it looks like once it's all in. It's really an easy job. You just got to get some screws, pop it in. The hardest part is actually fitting it underneath because I already made sure that it fit right. But now I got to fit it right. So, how do I do this? Another really awesome thing that we did was add these hydraulic pistons. There's one on each side. It's a little too much for our bed because it actually holds it up once it's up, but it kind of has a little bit of a bounce. It just makes opening this a lot easier, and you actually don't have to use the little holder bobber that we've got. Actually, it doesn't even reach anymore for that matter, but it certainly saves your back and a lot of energy when you're grabbing stuff out of here. We keep like our ladder and foldable table and such. That's easier. Anyway, back to this. So, I've got the wood in here. I'm just gonna lift it up around the hinges and screw it on in. Now, I mentioned from the pass-through hole, this 1x1, when you close the bed, seals off this top little gap. So the only gap you'll have is at the bottom. If I wanted to get fancy, I could have made a little 1/2-inch cutout and keep it all out, but if you're going to be fitting through there, good luck. Plus that little piece was kind of cut out anyway. Free wood. Coming in. So, fingers away. So here we go. This is the board that I just installed. And I have my lovely wife inside, so she's going to close the bed, and you'll see that this gap here at the top is going to go away. Ta-da! Actually, there's a section in the corner here that isn't. I didn't realize that. But again, if you can fit through that, or this, it's just as big as my hand, so that's all you're gonna get. We've got security from the inside. Does it never fail that when you want to start a video, your neighbors across the street fire up their tractor, the neighbor off to the side has their music blaring for some reason? Who else gets that when they're filming? You gotta love the country. Blah, 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 blah.